All right, everybody, thank you for your patience. We waited quite a while, and I guess they had a fueling issue with the rocket, and the window to meet up with the International Space Station was very small. They weren't able to get the rocket off. We thought we were going to bring you something super neat to check out, and it didn't work out. So we're really sorry about that, but thank you so much for watching our channel, and we hope that they will be launching another rocket at some point, that we can at least show you something pretty cool to see. But this time it was a big fail. All right, thanks again for watching Matt's Playtime.
What time it becomes a more position?
No, trust me.
4 minutes. Although the opening I got it up in that goodness. It's better at least.
You'll see it.